Welcome to this tutorial on how to use E-TRADE Rollover IRA. A rollover IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to transfer funds from a previous employer-sponsored retirement plan such as a 401k into an IRA. To get started, you need to open an E-TRADE Rollover IRA account, which can be done online or by contacting E-TRADE directly. Once your account is open, you will need to initiate the rollover process by contacting your previous employer or the administrator of your old 401k plan and requesting a distribution of your funds. You will need to provide E-TRADE with the details of your old 401k plan, including the account number and the name and address of the plan administrator. E-TRADE will then send the necessary paperwork to the plan administrator to initiate the transfer of funds. There are two types of rollovers: direct and indirect. A direct rollover is when the funds are transferred directly from the old 401k plan to the E-TRADE Rollover IRA account. This is the preferred method as it avoids any potential tax penalties. An indirect rollover is when the funds are sent to you and then you deposit them into the E-TRADE Rollover IRA account. This method requires you to deposit the funds within 60 days to avoid tax penalties. Once the funds are transferred to the E-TRADE Rollover IRA account, you can begin to manage your investments by selecting from a range of investment products such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It is recommended that you consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your needs. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with the E-TRADE Rollover IRA account, such as maintenance fees and management fees. Be sure to review the fee schedule before opening your account. In conclusion, using an E-TRADE Rollover IRA is a great way to consolidate your retirement savings and take control of your investments. By following these steps and consulting with a financial advisor, you can make the most of your retirement savings and achieve your long-term financial goals.